I have been slowly heating up oil. I filled a pan that is a little bit deep, okay, but I'm trying to get something wide also because so I can do at least 3 donuts at a time. And then, like I said, it's on medium. I'm slowly heating it up because as I'm putting my ingredients together, I want it to heat up, and I still want my batter to sit for a couple of minutes. So it has to go up to about 360. So I'm going to combine our liquid ingredients. First, I am going to just beat up the egg. My new little whisk. So cute. Doesn't look great, but we'll beat that in. Beat that up, and we're going to add, that's the 1/2 cup of milk. I think I'm going to get a little larger whisk. I gave it a try. Okay, then we have salt and a 1/2 cup of sugar. And some salted butter. Then we're going to combine, I'll use my little whisk for this, give it a try again. This is the nutmeg and the 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we'll just combine there. I always want to combine those things pretty well so the liquids don't dump right on top of the baking powder. Okay. Now we're going to combine the egg mixture with the flour. You just want to combine it. Then you want to add I have a little more flour here on the table. You want to add a little more flour, just enough so you can roll it out. And knead it just a little bit. Okay. So what I'll do is I'm going to get about a 1/2 cup here. I'll just add about a 1/2 of that, just so you have an idea of how much I've added. And bring that together. I'm going to put a little more in. Okay. Now I'm going to take this out of the bowl and I'm going to prepare my table to roll it out. Well, I've taken my dough out of the bowl and I really haven't added any more flour to it, but the liquid that we've added to the flour, it's sort of absorbed it a little bit. This is what I started with and I still have that little bit there. I did add some new flour to the board. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this out to about 1/3 of an inch. Okay. And I'm going to put some more flour on here because it isn't really a sticky dough. It's not too bad, but I just want to make it easier. You can see the little nutmeg in there. That's about 1/3 of an inch. That looks good. That would be about a 1/2 inch, and it should be a little less than a 1/2 inch. So, okay, we'll try that. And so we'll take a little more flour for my. Okay, and I have a little donut cutter, it has holes in it. Put a little bit so it will come. Okay, and we'll make a little donut, another one. Hopefully the little holes will come out. And I'll just put it there. Okay. We're going to let these little donuts rest for a few minutes, because I don't know if you remember in another video we talked about the double acting baking powder. First it reacts with the liquid and then it will react with the heat. And I'm going to knead this together again, and we'll just knead it, you know, bring it together, squish it, and then knead it a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to test a little piece of the donut. I'm just going to drop it in, because you want to have the temperature maybe a teeny bit above 360, because it's going to, when you put the dough in, it's going to drop the temperature down. You want to leave it on one side for a couple of minutes until it gets golden brown. Okay, well that looks like it's doing very, very nicely. So I'm going to drop a donut in. Temperature's a little bit hotter than 360. You want to be very careful. When it came up, it flipped over. Okay, I'm going to add another one. Okay, I'm going to turn the temperature down a little bit. I'm going to take a little slotted spoon to take them out with. And I have a little cinnamon sugar here. I mixed, you know, however dark you want your cinnamon sugar to be, just add a little bit at a time, a few teaspoons at a time to your sugar. And I happen to have a lot here because I use it also for my biscotti. Okay, so this is done. Both sides are pretty golden brown. So I'm going to take this out and let it drain. Okay. Actually, I have a plate right here. I'm going to drain it on for a moment. But you really want to get it into your cinnamon sugar. There's not a whole lot of sugar in this, so you might really want to, let me flip these over in the meantime, because I think they're ready. Okay. You don't have that many donuts, as you see, so you don't really have to be in a big hurry to put a lot in. You want to cook a few at a time. Okay, and we can put them on here. Donut holes look like they're going to be really fabulous. Okay, it's hard to see the bottom of these guys, but now it's a little, I have the temperature on low, because you really don't want them to cook too fast. It's a little higher than 360, but it is doing very nicely. So I'm not going to worry about it. It's about up to 370, 75. Okay, that looks pretty even. So let me get my slotted spoon. Actually, I'm going to use a different one because that has sugar on it. Okay, I'm going to put these right out onto my plate and let them just drain for a second. Okay. Ooh, don't touch them. Too hot. I suppose you could make a little icing and put that on them, whatever you like. You know, it's limited only by your imagination. Put little sprinkles on them. You'd make a little bit of icing with powdered sugar and a little bit of milk and vanilla, just to make it enough just to stick to the donut. Let's see what this looks like inside. Okay, well that looks pretty good. Okay, well I hope you guys enjoy your donuts. If you try this, let me know how it comes out. And visit us at marjoriescandiesandcookies.com and take a look at our other YouTubes. Thank you.